moving to a new country filled with excitement and new experiences, but suddenly feeling lost in a maze of financial decisions. Don't worry, we've got you covered. From opening a bank account in a new currency to understanding taxes and finding the best way to transfer money back home, there's a lot to learn. No worries, we've got you covered. This guide breaks down everything you need to know to set up your finances smoothly in a new country. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, opening a local bank account is essential. It might seem daunting, but it's easier than you think with the right documents and a bit of preparation. What you'll need. Typically, you'll need a passport, a local address, and in some cases, proof of income or a work visa. Each bank is a bit different, so check their requirements before heading to the branch. Types of accounts. Most banks offer a basic checking account for day-to-day spending and a savings account for, you guessed it, saving. Some accounts are designed specifically for expats with perks like international transfers and lower fees on foreign transactions. Pro tip: many countries have welcome accounts for newcomers with relaxed requirements and no minimum balance, so be sure to ask. Understanding taxes in a new country can be overwhelming, but knowing your residency status and double taxation agreements can save you a lot of headaches. Know your residency status. Each country has its own rules on tax residency. In most cases, if you're in a country for more than 6 months, you'll likely be considered a resident for tax purposes. Double taxation agreements, DTAs. Many countries have treaties that prevent you from being taxed on the same income twice, once in your home country and once abroad. Check if your new country has a DTA with your home country and consult an accountant if you need help navigating it. Pro tip: keep all your financial documents organized. It's easy to lose track of things when you're abroad, so keep a file, digital or physical, with all your key documents. Currency exchange can be a hidden pitfall. Avoid high bank fees by using specialized currency transfer services and timing your transfers wisely. Avoid bank transfer fees. Banks are convenient, but they often charge high fees and offer poor exchange rates for international transfers. Consider using specialized currency transfer services like moving currency, which typically have lower fees and better rates. Pro tip: look out for hidden fees like transaction fees and conversion charges. Managing day-to-day finances in a new country means adjusting to a different cost of living. Local budgeting apps and expat-friendly deals can help you stay on track. Local apps and tools. Many countries have local budgeting apps that show typical costs for rent, utilities, and groceries. Downloading one can help you track your spending and get a feel for what's normal. Savings strategies. Look for expat-friendly deals like local loyalty cards, which offer discounts at grocery stores and restaurants. Shopping at local markets is also often cheaper and more fun than big grocery chains. Pro tip: prices for common services like taxis or utilities can differ drastically depending on the country. Join expat forums or Facebook groups to get insider tips on saving money locally. Health insurance is crucial. Whether it's public or private, make sure you're covered to avoid any unexpected medical expenses. Public versus private insurance. In some countries, expats are covered under the national healthcare system, while in others, you'll need private insurance. Be sure to look at coverage levels and emergency services. Pro tip: some countries offer health insurance plans specifically for expats, so check out the options before purchasing a plan. Setting up regular payments for recurring expenses back home can be streamlined with a good transfer service, ensuring you get the best rates. Building an emergency fund in both your home and local currency can provide a safety net for any unforeseen expenses. Joining expat forums or local groups can offer insider tips on saving money and navigating your new financial landscape. With the right approach, managing your finances abroad is more than doable. Here's to making your expat life a little easier. Happy adventuring!